Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We've been quarantined, quarantined. We've been at home. There's no excuses. Like, you guys need to check my videos. Like, everybody's at home. Quarantine life. Quarantine. Quarantine life. I mean, I'm speaking nonsense right now, so let's just get in the video. So today's video is how I install my headband on my wigs, which makes my wigs most likely glueless, because there is no glue whatsoever. There's just an elastic band, but with the elastic band it gives like the extra this step, like it gives you like this security that with only the wig on, I feel like I don't have this, like my wig can flew out like anytime, any soon, so I need to be secure. So on all my wig I just install the headband. Use for my headband is literally this from Amazon. You know, Amazon is big. I don't remember how much it was, but I will try on my orders to find this link to that piece of headband, of bands like you can purchase. There's also a weave thread with I will always find I will also find the link for that. So before I sew the wig down, I just measure the headband, the band around my own head, to see how it will look, how tight I would like the band to be on the wig. So you know, I'll measure that out first, and then I start to sew the headband down. And it's really like, I believe everyone knows how to sew something. So if you don't know, you can always watch YouTube videos. That my number one platform to learn anything.
That's good.
And not gonna lie, this band was a little bit big because I didn't have a lot of space on my lace, because I cut too much lace, I believe. It was just the lace space was too much small, or the band was too much big. But I really managed to do that. I just cut a little bit of the band just to make it thin at the corner, so you know, it will fit. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.
Say, baby, I love you.